Okay. Sweet eats today is 4 miniature KitKat bars. So we'll go through one by one. The package said the serving size was 4 bars, 170 calories. So here we go. This is in honor of Mr. Stanford Cardinal Red and White Andrei Minikov, who I heard speaking on the pool deck. He was right underneath me. Like literally he actually came at one point and stood like right underneath where I was standing, and I was looking down at him, and he took his leg and he had like extended it backwards so I could see the calf, and I was like, this was that would have been Friday, 8 March 2024 at the 2024 Pac-12 Men's Swimming Championships in Federal Way. I'm filming this Monday. Nope, it's not Monday. It's Tuesday. Filming this Tuesday, 12 March 2024. I'm Tanis Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. Filming this in the northern suburbs of Seattle, King County, Washington State, United States of America. Plant Earth, the original. This one has a little bit of a crack in it. But he was talking to people. A mix of people, including 2 ladies who actually ended up looking like a little bit like the ladies that were the timers behind his blog. And he has flawless English, which is a skill that I do not possess. It was a recurring theme of all the people I saw. You know, him, this Sarkani guy, who's what, is he Hungarian or something? A lot of handsome Hungarians. Hubert Coase, Leon Marchand. I think, I don't know what, so I was sitting, the interviews were held here for the final session I attended. That one was Saturday, 9 March 2024. And then there was the first row and I was the second row. So they were like, you know, approximately 10 feet away, so I could hear them speaking kind of thing. But they had a microphone on. But like, up close and personal, I got to see Leon Marchand's nipples, which supposedly I lick. Yeah, kind of thing. He's all frisky. And then, so Ilya Karon won the 200 fly, but I don't actually remember him giving an interview. So if he did, I was tuned out. And then there was Matthew Jensen, but he's not European, so far as I know. He was the 100-yard freestyle winner. Leon Marchand won the 200-yard breaststroke. And Hubert Coase the 200-yard backstroke. And then the Sarkani guy, which I actually thought was a brand. Like, he wore his specialty Sarkani stuff, and like when I saw on his clothing in the competition, so he won the 1650 yard freestyle. I thought it was a brand. I was like, Sarkani, I haven't heard of that brand before. And then I was like, that's the guy's name, and I was like, right, custom attire. He had what appeared to be a girlfriend, but I don't actually know. On the pool deck, he like pinched her arm at one point. And she spoke a lot to him, Sarkani, and Ilya Karon. She was the team photographer for the Arizona State University Sun Devils. Took all the pictures. She talked to them a lot. It's good to have, even if they aren't her honey bunnies, soulmates, it's good for her to have people she felt comfortable with. So she kind of stuck close to Sarkani and Karon. Per my, you know, multiple hours of observation. Leon Marchand, he would stand and look straight at me, and then wait for me to look away, and then he would turn his head in the direction I turned my head, or he wouldn't look away, so I'd look back and he'd still be looking at me. And I was like, yeah. Lift his jacket to reveal his, you know, package area, and I was like, yes, you are handsome, you Frenchman. And were those the Andrei Minikov miniatures? He wants triplets, though. He's in a battle now with Hubert Coase and Leo Marchand over who he's like, you have to have in person. Alright, it's down to us three. Right. He's like the super forward, like, you know, first time we canoodle, waking mode, we get pregnant with triplets. Some of the men are just so forward. I'm doing my best to keep up with them. Okay. Alright, so that's a sweet eats of 4 miniature KitKat bars. I'm Tanis Leonhardi, so my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. They all tasted about the same, so relative ranking is the flavor remained unchanged. Happy day and time viewing to you when I'm reviewing this, and happy place of viewing where I'm reviewing this from.